What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. It's your boy Trey here, and as you can see, not in the wagon, not in the 335, not in the Z. I am in a Targa 4S Carrera 911. Has upgraded turbos, has a Soul exhaust on it. One of the baddest cars on the market right now. Belongs to HBI, and just like in the last video, HBI is an independent Porsche specialist dealership, but they also do McLarens, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and all sorts of stuff. They have a detail shop, a body shop, they have it all there. So go check them out. This is their link right here. Almost at the car meet now. They had this weird like traffic thing that was happening. Like, there's cops everywhere. Like, look right here, a bunch of cops on the road right there. They're having some like type of escort. So the meet is at Charlotte Motor Speedway right there. So that's where we're headed right now. So let's get to it. Driving into the meet now. Just made it to the meet. This is why I was driving the Targa, and then Tanner was in the Turbo S here, all supplied by HBI, man, and shout out to them. As you can see, there's a bunch of cars here. You got G80s, R32s, just a bunch of stuff. So finna walk around and check it all out, see like everything, do M2s, M340. So let's go ahead and dive in. Clean Type R here with the white, the classic. Lexus is super clean. This thing is slammed. Then you got this AMG right here, the center lock, carbon ceramics. Next to the S58 M2, manual too. This thing's clean. The presence of this car is so nice. This is clean, like a clown shoe right here. Oh snap! Look at the shifter. This is crazy. This is really clean built. I like the color, man. That silver with the gold, like BBS style wheels. They're not BBSs. They're something else, but they look really clean. Thing is sick, bro. So sick. Then you got the new Z. I still don't know how to feel about these, man. I feel like they're so expensive, but you know, hey, to each his own, man. I think I'd rather just get a Supra though, to be honest. They're still clean though. I still like them. Speaking of Z, Nismo Z. This is what I want so bad. I want to put the front kit. He's got the Nismo wheels too, which is very expensive. Manual. This is like the exact setup I want to do on mine. Look at that. He's got the Z1 shifter. Real Nismo authentic plate right there. Yeah, this thing's sick. Yeah, this is what I want to do to mine really bad. Throw the whole Nismo kit on. I don't care if it's not a real one. I can make it nice. These wheels are so expensive. These are the Nismo wheels. They're like $800 a piece, I'm pretty sure. They're like really expensive, but dude, this thing is so nice. E30, shout out Diego. It's a tall shifter. Shout out to the wagon. Oh man, this is nice. Dang, Diego, you gotta get this set up, bro. On the polished BBSs. Oh snap, bro. I know he wants a lot for this. Oh, look at the lip on the front end. Thing's clean, bro. Sorry if y'all can't hear me over the music. It's kind of loud, ain't gonna lie. Got the F30. I don't know if it's a 335 or a 340 or a 328, but it looks clean though. Then you got another clown shoe in like Alaman green with some LMs on it, BBS LMs. So clown shoes are out, man. M52 Pro charged. What in the world? Nice M4. This color's sick. Look at that Supra on a tire back there. On slicks, dog. You know that jumps fast. But this color right here, bussin', bro. Bussin'. I like these tips. Pause. Oh, this is very nice, man. Looks very, very good. Dang, a track Z. And it's manual, bro. I need to convert mine to manual so bad, bro. Dang, it's just so clean, bro. I can't wait till I can modify mine. Paint is really good on it, too. It's got the tracks on here as well. I don't even know where that is, bro, but shout out to you. X3M. Looking good right here. You already know it's my father car right here. As soon as I had them kids, this is coming straight in the garage, you know what I'm saying? Look at it. This thing looks so sick, bro. This is, oh, I've never seen this type of like interior before. Dang, he's out here stunting, bro. This song looks so good. Look, he has the carbon in the back, man. What's he got under the hood? Put the M3 cover on top. Man, this thing's sick. FD RX7 Z06. Dang, what is this, a K-swap? Dang, K-swap to FRS is crazy. That's wild. I love this color on the Supra, man. Dang, what kind of wheels are those? Dang, this is kind of crazy. It's got the BMW on the inside. This color is nice. And oh my gosh, look at this Supra. Dang. He's got the race gas right here. He's got the detachable steering wheel. Nice color on the M4 with the brown interior. Nice spec, nice spec. Sick GT3. This thing's clean, man. Loving these Porsches, bro.
That is the cleanest air-cooled engine I think I've ever seen.
This thing is clean. This is probably my favorite here. Look at that Momo steering wheel. This thing is sick, man. I've seen this one before. This thing is so clean, man. Wow. They got a GTD out here. This thing looks crazy in person, man. It's like as wide as the GT3 RS, to be honest. But from a Mustang, it's pretty wild. Dang, that thing is so wide. It's crazy. Look at the fender on that thing. The fender is so wide, it just sticks out. That is so crazy. And look at how deep those vents are. This thing is crazy. You got an LS Prius. They put an LS in a Prius. That's crazy. Somebody got too much time on their hands. What the heck, bro? This is wild. Prius SRT 8. What in the world, bro? Imagine getting gapped in this, bro. Just go ahead and sell the car, bro. On the parachute? Oh, snap, dude. Those seats gotta be expensive for sure. Buckets. Dang, Z06 looks aggressive. Looks like a track car. Pretty dope, pretty dope. A lot of Corvettes out here, man. That's how you know we're in North Carolina, bro. Clean Z, Nismo. Dang, yeah, I gotta get that kit, y'all. Gotta get that kit. Got the NASCARs out. Dang, he's on all tinted out. Dang, the orange crew.
Hell yeah. Another right-hand drive,
This right-hand drive. Imagine this mechanism breaks. That's kind of crazy. Right-hand drive once again.
It's just clean for a GSR.
Yeah, this is a clean build. Not a fan of the blue wheels, but they kind of work though. ITBs. This is the best way to do it, man. Then you got this crazy super right here.
Trumpets.
This looks crazy.
It's got the trumpets.
You know this thing's fast. All right, so we're leaving the meet now. It was a good turnout. Big shout out to HBI, and it was a good meet. I hope you all guys like the content. I'm gonna film like on the way back, but that's about it. Get on it. Oh man, the Turbo S sounds so good, man. I love that car, man.
Keep going, pretty boy.